Hello guys, and how are you doing today? Tire Aina here again. It's Tire Aina here again.
One of the YouTubers that has experienced rapid growth during the lockdown period was Tire Aina. From working as a former Uber driver and ex-military.
Back then I used to be in the military. The guns we used then was like the Kalashnikov.
And now a professional filmmaker in Nigeria. To a popular YouTuber, Tire Aina has had a dramatic rise in his YouTube channel. In early 2019, nobody knew Tayo. He was an average YouTuber, but during the second half of 2019 was when things began to change. 2020 was the year his channel took on new heights. And in this video, I'm going to break down what he did that got his channel to where it is today. Better get a notebook and pen, because this is really going to help your channel as well. My name is Kekeli, and I believe that the best way to grow on YouTube is to observe and learn from what others are doing and let that inspire you to grow your channel. Subscribe and like this video if you can't wait to hear Tayo's secrets.
All you have to do is just film yourself doing something stupid and upload it to YouTube, and then you start making lots of money. If I can do it, you can do it too. Making money on YouTube is hard. Very, very hard.
Let's start from the beginning. Tayo is a lifestyle and travel blogger with close to 300,000 subscribers on YouTube, and he keeps growing by about 13,000 subscribers each month. Tayo did not have such a rosy beginning. You see, Tayo started his channel around 2017, and within his first year, he posted very few videos. You can see his love for travel and adventure even within his early videos. During his second year on YouTube, Tayo went all in and produced a lot of videos. He went into basically every area you could think about. He has travel videos, product reviews, tech videos, tutorials, interviews, and even vlogs. In his third year, Tayo started to grow beyond the borders of Nigeria and started filming in other African countries. Tayo began to diversify even more by visiting more African countries and adding variety to his content, like real estate tours. At that time, real estate content was on the rise. His timely content allowed him to ride the wave, and that can be seen in the number of views he accumulated. I actually first found him around this time when searching for tiny home content in Africa. In his third year, Tayo started highlighting African entrepreneurs and small business owners doing great things in Africa and rode another YouTube wave. Tayo has a thing for publishing the right video at the right time. I'm sure you might be wondering what this wave is that I've been referring to. Let me explain. YouTube wants to keep users on its platform for as long as possible, and it does this by trying to predict the type of content that viewers like and suggesting it to them. Doing this manually is not possible, so YouTube has what it calls the algorithm, a smart AI that studies your watch patterns and then suggests content that it thinks that you would like to watch. As you watch, the algorithm learns more about you and finds more videos that will keep you on YouTube. The more you watch, the more YouTube can advertise to you, and the more money YouTube and its partners, the video creators, make. Tayo understands this, and as such has created content to satisfy various audiences. So now to some of the key factors I think are behind Tayo's growth and how you can learn and apply them to your channel as well. If you've not yet subscribed, I don't know what you are waiting for. Subscribe, like, and share so the algorithm can put this video on its wave. Get it?
Personally, I don't just make videos on YouTube just to make money. I make videos because I'm passionate about making videos. Making money is just a side product of that. If you're out there and you want to start your YouTube channel, I'm saying go for it. There's always something you know that you can actually use to teach other people and they can actually learn from it.
Top secrets to Tayo's growth. Personality. No one can be you and you can't be anyone else. We all have unique perks that are likable. To me, Tayo is like the African Will Smith. Handsome, fun, and knowledgeable. Maybe it's his Nigerian accent that people like.
And they've got a generator.
Yeah, because you know we're in Africa.
Just what? In case you forgot.
But one thing is for sure, he is full of positive vibes, and I think that is one of the reasons why he keeps increasing in subscribers. His content is also focused and useful, as every second of his video is of value. You actually learn something from his videos, and he always seems to ask the right questions. Quality content always has a way of standing out. when it reaches the right audience. The next thing is editing creativity. Tayo has a secret weapon when it comes to producing videos. After all, Tayo is a movie creator, not a part-time filmmaker, but a professional, and that can easily be seen in his videos. You can see that a lot of planning and effort goes into his videos, even though he leaves room for spontaneousness, but still manages to capture it with finesse. There's a saying that the magic always happens during the edit, and Tayo knows this. He edits his videos to have a documentary-style approach, where he shows you what he's filming, a history of it, how it applied to daily life, and other cool things about it. Watch this clip to understand what I mean.
So this video is going to be about a day in the life of a Nigerian YouTuber. We are currently in my studio. Let me show you guys what the studio looks like.
Until the spring liberates me from my winter hell. I've got candles.
So today's video is going to involve me going to a new location off the coast of Lagos. It's a place called Badagry.
This man said he follows my YouTube channel. So what's the name, sir? Victor. Okay, just say hi to my subscribers.
Yeah, so guys, I got this Sony ZV-100 and I plan on using it to vlog, but I don't know why I never used it to vlog. Just to give some context in regards to what is happening here, let's jump right back into the vlog. Make videos. He's trying to do all those things we keep seeing on Instagram. After I come back from filming, I'm usually very tired. So what I usually do is to sleep for probably like an hour or two. When I wake up, this is the period where I go back to my computer. Then I advise lots of creators out there to do. Like, I feel the true authenticity and originality of your work will come out when you're making stuff because you love it, and because you also have an audience on the other side that will love it, not just because you just want to just make another video to push out on YouTube.
Simply classic. This seemingly simple process increases his watch time. So since people are watching his videos till the end, like the way you are watching this video to the end, then the algorithm picks up his video and shows it to a similar audience who also watch for a very long time. Some of the biggest channels on YouTube are channels run by professional film producers because the quality attracts. The reason we go to cinemas to watch movies is because they are produced with the best quality, and I don't mean only the picture quality, but more importantly, the sound is good and the story is captivating. Movie producers know how to tickle the mind, and Tayo seems to be an expert at this. You know, the thing about creating quality content is that it costs time and money, which some of your favorite YouTubers may or may not have. That's why platforms like Buy Me Coffee are very important. Buy Me Coffee is a great way to get people who like your content to support you by buying you coffee or pizza or anything else. Viewers can tip their favorite content creators or even choose to support them monthly so they can focus on producing more content for you. Any content creator can sign up and receive support to create content. Check the description for links to create your account as a YouTuber. Or if you are enjoying this and would like to support me, then feel free. The link's in the description. Another strong feature I noticed on Tayo's channel is his collaboration with other YouTubers. Collaborations open up your audience to whoever you are collaborating with, and vice versa. This is one of the best ways to grow on YouTube, especially if you are within the same niche, as this will attract subscribers who are already interested in your type of content. This eventually increases the click-through rate, or CTR for short. The CTR is the percentage of people that click through to your video after YouTube suggests it to them. If YouTube showed your video to 1,000 people and only 100 click to watch it, then that will be a CTR of 10%. When a lot of people are clicking to watch and consume the entire video, then the algorithm takes note of it and shows it to a broader audience, since the video is keeping more people on YouTube longer. Put more effort into your videos, and when people watch it, they enjoy it and come back for more. Another thing is consistency. Have you ever been so interested in a topic that when you search for it and start watching videos, YouTube keeps suggesting similar topics from the same channel to you? I'm sure it's happened to all of us. Tayo's consistency over the years makes it easy for YouTube to suggest his content to you. It's a silent rule that the algorithm doesn't take you serious until you have 100 videos published. I don't have any facts to back that, but the moral of the thing is that don't give up. Keep putting out great content and you'll ride that YouTube wave one of these days. In conclusion, Tayo Aina's growth has been an inspiring one, and he's definitely on his way to become one of Africa's biggest YouTubers. He's a very creative individual, and I'm highly expectant on seeing what he does with his channel in the years to come. If you've been inspired or learned something, then kindly like and subscribe to this channel. Comment below on what you think about Tayo and who you would like to see a breakdown of in my next video. If you're a fan of Wodemaya, then you will like this video as well. Thank you so much for watching and stay blessed.